In this video, we'll show you 5 quick and easy keto breakfast ideas that are delicious and nutritious. Whether you're new to the keto diet or looking for some inspiration, we've got you covered. Idea 1. Avocado and egg breakfast bowl. Slice up some fresh avocado and top it with a poached or fried egg for a delicious and filling breakfast that's packed with healthy fats and protein. Idea 2. Keto pancakes. Make fluffy pancakes using almond flour, eggs, and cream cheese. Top with sugar-free syrup or fresh berries for a sweet breakfast treat. Idea 3. Breakfast casserole. Mix together eggs, cheese, sausage, and veggies like spinach or bell peppers for a savory breakfast casserole that can be made ahead of time and reheated throughout the week. Idea 4. Keto smoothie. Blend together spinach, avocado, coconut milk, and your favorite berries for a refreshing and nutritious breakfast smoothie that's packed with vitamins and healthy fats. Idea 5. Bacon and egg breakfast sandwich. Fry up some bacon and eggs, and sandwich them between 2 slices of almond flour bread or a low-carb tortilla for a hearty breakfast on the go. We hope you enjoyed these keto breakfast ideas. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more healthy lifestyle tips and ideas. Thanks for watching.